Well, the time has finally come to swap out these really ugly lights that have been in our closet. We decided to upgrade these to some new fixtures, and I'm going to show you just how we did that. It's finally time to install our new lights, and I just wanted to tell you a few things to remember. First of all, obviously, if you don't feel comfortable swapping out a light, don't do it. It's pretty easy, but find somebody who's qualified to do it if you don't feel comfortable. Obviously, you want to turn off the power first, but after you do that, it's pretty simple to connect the white to the white wire, the black to the black wire, and there will be a copper grounding wire that you'll connect to the copper grounding wire that's in your socket. That's it. Most of the modern ones, you just twist on some wing nuts that grip them real tight to make sure those wires won't pull out, and you're ready to go. So let me fumble with these, and hopefully we'll get these put up pretty quickly. The only thing I had to do to take down these old lights was to untwist the wire nuts that held each of the different wires together and basically just kind of unwrap the ground wire that was all twisted together, and it came down. That's it. As you can see, I've got another light source in there because I have the power turned off in here. Be sure to do that. Ouch. It bit me. Come off of there. See ya. Ugly little light. These were the cheapest little builder grade globe lights that I have ever seen. I think literally anything would have been an upgrade from these. Most lighting fixtures come with some kind of a bracket that you connect with 2 screws up into the socket that's attached in your ceiling, and that will hold the entire light up. So it's very important that it is very secure. It's not wiggling, actually. First time in any lights we've swapped in this house.
Good job.
This is the part where it helps to have another set of hands. So you're gonna be here holding so that I can twist the wires. If you'll just hold it about right there. Do you need a taller ladder?
Mm-mm.
All right. Don't look up. It's dropping stuff. For these particular lights, there were 2 screws that hung down from those brackets that you slid through holes that were in this bottom plate. Then you just thread on some decorative looking caps to these bolts, and everything is secure and looks nice. And then twist this thing up and it holds it to the top. All right, that looks good. Do you want me to rotate it a little bit to where the longer one is not right in the front? See, there are 3 heights.
Oh, I don't care.
I'm thinking the longer one needs to be like kind of over there, maybe on that side. Probably doesn't matter.
I think just on everything.
Just leave it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Then all you have to do is take these little plastic pieces off, and that holds the globe on. Actually, we have to put the bulb in next, don't we? These and then the bulb.
Yep.
My hand, I may have to get you to do it. My hand is too big. It doesn't fit in here.
Mm-hmm.
Trade me. You gotta hold that globe.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. It goes that way up.
Okay.
Yep. Your little hands. You want me to come hold the globe?
Nope.
My big booty about knocked the rest of the globes off.
All right.
it already tight?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Got the little hands.
I know. So handy to have around. And I was really thankful for my wife's help with this. Her hands are much smaller and were easily able to fit inside that globe and tighten them down. It's like, once you get it started, it's okay. Just give it a little snuggy snug. There you go. That's a great sound.
That one just did one.
I think it's, yeah, maybe they want to stay. Just do like a half turn once it's snug. There you go. Sound of my people.
Hey, give me your hand.
We're adding 2 light fixtures to this closet, so now it's time to move on to the next one. I kept thinking you were going to grab it, but I didn't say anything.
It looked like you were still doing something with it.
If you can have someone there with you to be another set of hands, it's really helpful while you're trying to screw on the new wire nuts to attach everything together. And it's very simple. Black wire connects to the black wire, white wire to the white wire, and your copper or grounding wire connects to the copper grounding wire that's already in your socket. I don't know where the post is. Here, you can just put it on.
I can't reach it.
Oh. Shorty. All right, we'll trade ladders so you can do your globe thing. Catch. That one looks bent. I like this seated glass. Mm-hmm. It's cool. Oh, I thought you had it. There you go. There you go. It's plenty tight. That one's a little crooked too. This one's definitely crooked. You see it? Mm-hmm. I'm scared I'm gonna break it. From the floor, it doesn't look too off.
Okay.
They're at random differences.
I
All right, I need to go find some bulbs. All right, let's get this thing lit up. I've got some Edison style bulbs here, and we are going to let there be light. Power's back on. I'm doing the little baby finger twisty twist. Oh, me eyes. Ooh, cool. I have 6 bulbs, which is perfect for what we need. I should have grabbed 2. The official term for this is the little tiny finger twisty twist. Oh, hello. Man, changing that lights has a big impact on a room.
And for not much expense.
Right. A little effort, little expense, and it's really different.
How pretty.
I love it. And I like the shadows that the seated glass casts. Mm-hmm. It's really cool.
Glass cast.
Glass casts. All right.
Next one?
Yep.
Come on, twisty twist.
Here we go. Let's do the farthest one first. This one's easier because are all the globes the same? I guess so.
You have to.
Same length. Oh, gets me every time. Right in the eyes. I like the style of these. For a lot of the LED Edison bulbs, I don't like the way they look, but I like the style of these. And I'm really glad we went with the 3-light fixture, because it's bringing a lot more light into this room. I like that. We don't need this box either. That'd be a fun Play-Doh mold. Hey, thanks so much for building with me. I really appreciate you following along. Check out some of the other videos in the series. I've got a playlist with all of them put together, and I'll see you on the next one.